Hi, I'm attorney Mark Lazarus with the law offices of Russell and Lazarus. I'm a personal injury trial attorney in California, and I help people who've been injured in accidents to recover their damages. If you've suffered a dog bite injury in California, here's what you need to know. First, get medical attention. If you have a puncture wound where the skin has been broken, saliva from the animal's mouth can get under the skin and cause a serious infection. Immediately seek medical attention to clean out the wound and determine if antibiotics are necessary. If the wound is severe, stitches or surgical intervention may be necessary, so a medical professional needs to be involved to address the injuries as soon as possible. Second, notify animal control as soon as possible. Animal control will quarantine animals to make sure that they do not have rabies. Rabies shots can be painful and take a long time to perform. So having animal control determine the animal's likelihood of rabies can help avoid unnecessary medical procedures. Animal control will also document who the owner of the animal is, so that they can be held accountable for their failure to properly protect others from their dog's dangerous propensities. Animals with dangerous propensities need to be properly controlled by their owners in order to avoid causing avoidable injuries to other people. Animal control will determine how well the animal can be trusted to interact with people and whether or not safety precautions such as muzzling will be necessary when the animal is around others in order to be safe. Third, if possible, take photographs of the animal as well as the owner in order to identify the correct animal to animal control as well as to others. Knowing the correct animal identity will help animal authorities and insurance companies to confirm that the correct dog owner is held accountable. Next, who is responsible for damages caused in a dog bite injury? In California, dog owners are strictly liable for the damages caused by their dogs biting people. Strict liability means that the owners of the dog are responsible for the harms caused regardless of the dog's known history of biting people or not biting people. A dog owner in California cannot argue the lack of knowledge of prior bites as a basis not to hold the dog owner responsible for the harm caused by their dog. In that circumstance, the dog owner will have to pay for the damages, or the dog owner's homeowner's insurance will step in and will be required to pay for damages caused by the animal's owner. Who else can be responsible for the dog bite? If a dog owner rents their residence, then the dog owner's landlord may be responsible for damages caused if the landlord knew or reasonably should have known that the dog on the premises is dangerous and the landlord negligently failed to have the dog removed from the premises. This is often determined by the evidence of whether or not the dog has previously bitten someone and whether or not the landlord was aware of the prior bite incident or reasonably should have been aware of the prior bite incident. In that circumstance, the landlord and their homeowner's insurance can be required to pay for damages arising from the landlord's negligence for failing to remove a dog from the premises that the landlord knew or should have known was dangerous. If you or a loved one has been injured by a dog attack, then please give us a call for a free consultation at 877-789-HURT. That's 877-789-4878, and let us see how we can help you. Thank you so much.